What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing the volcano noodle challenge. So as you would have remembered, me and Jeremy did the spicy noodle challenge maybe sometime last year.
Yeah.
It was a little bit easier than what we expected. So
disappointing.
Today, yeah, it was a little bit disappointing. Yeah. So today we're trying the volcano noodle challenge, which none of us have tried before. Ethan and Jeremy are going to be the ones to look out for because they don't like spicy food.
He's already crying, look at his eyes. He's already tearing just looking at the food.
I'm upset.
You're upset.
He was supposed to be our camera guy for today, but we kind of roped him into doing this with us. So the rules are we'll all just finish one portion and then we have to go 5 minutes after finishing without drinking water or
Eating anything else.
or anything else, just sitting here for 5 minutes after. So
Well, ice is not
You
easy.
can't blow your nose and wipe your eyes, yeah? Is that the rules as well?
you can't blow your nose, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll just have to sit here.
I'm gonna be like feral.
I think it'll be okay.
Not in my food.
How does everyone feel?
I had the spicy from, what was it? Supreme Leader chicken, that was alright as well. I think that would be more spicy than this, the habanero sauce.
Extra?
Extra.
Alright.
I'll use this one then. Oh yeah, so I need to say, we did do the volcano noodles and also we added some extra bulldog spicy volcano sauce or spicy nuclear sauce, so it's extra
Stinging my
spicy.
eyes.
Let's hope.
Yeah, so we'll start as the last person finishes
Yeah.
eating.
Alright, dig in.
We starting it?
But do we have to finish it at the same time?
Well, we'll try to, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I won't do this. Oh, jeez.
The tip is not to have it on your tongue for too long.
It tastes good. I like it.
It's nice and chewy.
Silence from the two.
At any time you guys can tap out, just saying.
Nah, I'm not accepting.
It's not hot?
I'm not accepting tap outs.
That actually tastes alright.
It's sweet, right?
There's definitely
done
heat.
quickly.
You're not saying anything, babe.
It actually tastes alright. I think the burn is going to kick in soon.
Yeah. I can start feeling it.
Oh.
That noodle tastes so good.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
How are you guys fine?
I'm gonna start.
90 seconds for two. Oh,
So 5 minutes after this.
Oh, that's 5 minutes after we all finish.
Oh, she's building up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
oh yeah? Oh
I'm
shit.
sweating.
Oh.
Once you stop eating, once you stop having carbs, it starts hurting. What?
It's not bad.
I'm starting to sting my
It's
tongue.
not bad.
Alright, 2 minutes 20.
Are you guys enjoying it?
I was pretty hungry. I want carbs, but now my mouth's numb.
Mine doesn't matter.
Yeah. It's hard to talk for my
I'm
tongue.
sweating.
It's not bad. It's not that bad.
Oh, it's bad.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it now in my mouth.
How are you guys
Once you
taking
stop
it
getting the
so slow?
carbs,
It actually tastes pretty good.
Okay, it's really hurting now.
That's not bad.
so you finish at 2:30, 2 minutes, so it's just 5 minutes after that.
I thought we were just going to do 5 minutes after I finish.
Yeah, I'm not lasting.
Oh, I've been like
That's a bit mean.
Mind over matter, guys. Come on.
She's enjoying it. She's actually like, this is my calories. Gotta eat slow.
I'm trying to eat as fast as I can.
I'm going busy.
Series 3.5.
3:30.
It's not bad.
My lips are like,
I'm getting dizzy.
Hell's 3:40. I'm gonna get my ice cream ready.
Yeah, get the ice cream.
No, you don't do that.
Why you want me to sit down?
I'm gonna be soon.
Can at least wipe my nose.
Nah, I'm gonna wipe it.
Nah, at 3:40 for me. So
I finished
So
that
7 minutes 30 for me.
8:40 for me. 8:40.
Oh, wait, mine's died out now. I'm good now.
No, you aren't. Stop lying. That's how.
Like, it peaks and then it just disappears.
I'm just trying to breathe.
Your eyes are watering.
My nose is running.
Yeah, so when you stop, it starts to like.
Actually, yeah.
Mine's mellow. It just stops. It just plateaus.
Yeah.
It's just numb now, that's all.
I don't feel like you look
you
okay.
still with us?
You did it right. You did it right.
It's not as bad. It just
hard.
hurts for a bit
Yeah.
and it
If
disappears.
I stop breathing in and out, it like actually gradually like burns my mouth. So I'm just gonna breathe. That airflow is like cooling in.
You're feeling it now?
Yeah.
Is there?
Eyes
It's
are
actually not too bad.
I feel like, yeah.
I thought it would be worse. That's
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
saying that. That's how I
The
was
first
first
time I would
time.
have been like, okay, I'm done. Like,
Yeah, it didn't knock you out. Like,
It's like a good burn.
Do you think this is the problem with volcano noodles?
It says volcano noodles.
That's volcano.
Well,
Oh.
the people are.
I think it would be
That's right.
worse if you had like 5 packets in one go.
yeah.
And then it just
It probably
builds up.
continues to build. Yeah. Feel really just cleared out.
I'm alright now.
Yeah.
yeah, I breathe really clear right now.
So you're alright.
Wasn't that bad.
Conquering your fears.
Yeah, I won't be doing that again.
I thought the noodles tasted pretty good.
Yeah,
That
it was
just tastes
sweet.
really good.
It was sweet.
Yeah, it just like
Spicy
hits
didn't
you
kick in
after.
till, like, afterwards.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
How much longer for you?
Like 50 seconds.
Yeah, I feel like if you could drink water, like you could definitely like.
Champ
It's
it,
easy,
yeah.
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 But you did well, considering that you like.
You did
I
well.
went fast. I was like, get this done with, get this over and done with. They tasted pretty good.
Yeah, sweet.
That's what I thought. I was like, this actually tastes pretty good. Like, I enjoyed it, and it was just
Pleasant
kind of
to
like,
Yeah.
it was disappointing.
It was
Like, I was
disappointing.
scared it was gonna be disappointing. And I feel like we survived it. So
Yeah.
that's why it's disappointing.
You're having
Because if
a-
I actually like, yeah.
No, you gotta do what the other people do. They'll eat like 5 packets and then like see if you can handle the spices that builds up
Like, you in one go.
Yeah.
But you have to actually eat 5 packets of noodles.
in one go. Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
That's
I mean, like, that would be hard. I mean, that's a challenge right there. That would be like
Yeah.
5 packets, like 2,500 calories in one sitting.
Wow.
hey, you did 3,000 calories in one sitting easily.
Yeah.
I mean, this is pure carbs for the fats.
I think Nicole has to do a 10k calorie challenge because she hit 10k
I'm done.
I
followers.
think 7.5.
No.
You could do it.
Yeah.
I can do it without fast food though.
We'll
it has to be
start, like,
estimated.
We'll start at like 3 in the morning and then like end at like midnight.
Oof.
You need all that time.
I need to sleep.
You guys
One
make
day.
It's still hot for me. It's not dying down. Is yours dying down?
A little bit.
Yeah, mine's good. I'm
Like
good.
on my lips, it hurts. Inside my mouth is fine.
I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm like
Fine.
good.
I
Should have added more
food,
chili.
so am I dead messing up now? That food in my mouth?
Why is it fit on my? I didn't wipe because I thought we couldn't wipe.
Oh, I didn't.
But I can wipe.
I didn't wipe.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean with a. Yeah, I think we're done, eh? I think I'm done.
My stomach hurts a little bit.
7:30, yeah.
Am I done?
I'm 7 minutes. Yeah, you're 7:30? Yeah.
Got 8.
Mine is 8:40.
No, I finished before you.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah.
So we're done.
Oh, so you guys did it! Oh my god!
That wasn't that bad, eh? Yeah. Pretty disappointed once again.
It's
This is
worse
the second one.
beforehand when you're like thinking of the dread of like having to eat it.
I mean, now you know that you can eat hot. Because if you think about it, realistically, you're like, oh yeah, like I could have had hot,
We
but
should
you
get
actually ate
those
that.
hot sauce like those hot wings guys did next.
Yeah.
I know where to get them.
Oh no.
So,
Just a little
How do you
bit.
find it, Sarah?
Yeah. It
Hot but
started out-
enjoyable.
It was enjoyable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it would be much more enjoyable if you were like eating and you could drink water together at the same time. It's just more of a challenge now because we can't drink water.
It wasn't that bad. Once again, I'm disappointed, and we need to find.
Yeah, we need
something.
a bigger challenge.
Big challenge with a big door.
Exactly. I want to be like on the ground passed
Yeah,
out.
crying.
Yeah, like
I have-
oh god.
I got one for you next week if you want to do it.
Oh, okay, not 2 weeks in a row. Probably her tissue.
Is it 8:40 yet?
Yeah, I would say it's 8-4 now. Yeah, Sarah's done.
Sarah's done. Love me.
It's not that hard.
And that's 40. Alright, so we have all successfully
Carved up.
finished the volcano noodle
Yeah.
challenge. We're carved up. What's everyone's final thoughts? It was okay.
Just another normal day eating noodles.
Yeah.
I mean, it's spicy. I wouldn't eat it every day, but I wouldn't mind eating it once in a while. Honestly, it was pretty nice.
Yeah, the noodles actually was tasty.
Or
Good.
should we do a hot wings challenge?
The hot
I think
wings
you
challenge.
enjoy the chicken.
It's better than mee goreng, so you know.
And migore's not spicy. Yeah.
Just even the quality of the noodles was nice.
It's chewy.
Yeah.
Nice chewy
Yes.
consistency.
How about you, Ethan?
It's the hottest thing I've eaten, but like now I feel kind of weak.
No, you should feel pretty strong.
I should be, yeah, I'm like, why have I avoided spice for so long?
At least now you
Yeah,
know
no,
you
exactly.
can eat
Yeah,
spicy
you'd be
food.
mentally, you'd be like, oh, I can't
Don't
eat
avoid
spicy.
it anymore. Embrace the spice.
It wasn't that bad,
spicy
but I mean, it's not
Just
enjoyable. to spend as
microdose
well.
that spice into your food.
food. Yeah.
Yeah.
With that tolerance.
Just taper it up.
Yeah.
No, you don't have to. Just eat normal food. Just.
Alright, so we may do another one in the future. If you do want us to do another one, comment below. Or maybe suggest which brands is like the most spicy that you've seen people do out there, and we'll be happy to take up the challenge, I suppose. And we will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.